Hi, welcome to Finance Masterclass. Today's topic is a very interesting topic. It is on moneyness. Now, what is moneyness? I'm sure till now all of you know what is call, what is put. So, moneyness is nothing but different strike prices in and around the spot. First, let me tell you what is spot. Spot is nothing but the current price of a stock or a particular index. Let's say, for example, Nifty is currently at 10,000, which is an index. So that 10,000 becomes your spot. And at this stage, some of the bullish traders feel that market will go more than 10,000, and some of them will feel that it will go less than 10,000. So strikes above 10,000 in call are called OTM, which has not come yet, and strikes below 10,000 are called in the money, which is ITM, which are already been done. In put, the game is little reverse. At 10,000 we are standing, so the 12,000 one becomes your ITM, since put has a feature of bearish, and your less than 10,000 strikes becomes your OTM.